Hi guys, I'm Emily. Welcome to my channel, Everything Nerdy. This is my first video, so today we'll be doing a review on the magnetic liner lashes for all them ladies out there. And I will tell you a little bit about my channel and let you guys know what to look forward to in the future. Okay, so let's get started. These are the Ardell magnetic liners that came from Walmart. So if you're looking for them, they were $14, I think. They came with great packaging. Great packaging. Comes with a nice gel liner. That's the magnetic gel. It comes with the lashes and a makeup brush to apply. But I have my own for today, so I've already done all my other makeup, so I'll have to make a makeup video about that next time. Sorry guys. It's kind of tacky. If I go off screen a bit, it's because my mirror is right here. Oops. It's just a little more tacky than I would prefer. I would like more of a glossy texture. It's even kind of hard to apply. No. We will fix that later. Why is it on my eyelash? There, that looks pretty good for the first eye. Now to apply on the second eye. Sorry if I'm making weird faces. First time in video. This stuff is thick. This stuff's really thick. I'm having to wipe the brush in order to get the product to smooth right because for some reason it's just clumping up on my brush. I don't know if that's because of the magnet in it. And it dries super fast. I think those are about even. It keeps getting stuck to my eyelashes, so that's something that you guys are going to want to watch out for. A little more to that corner, and again, stuck to my eyelashes. For you ladies out there. All right, that looks pretty good. Let me fix this one just a little bit. There. That looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Now, my channel, I'm wanting to do a little bit of everything, so I'm going to be focusing on makeup, which, you know, the ladies will like, but I'll also be doing like reviews and stuff on probably electronics and some gaming stuff here and there, so look out for my unboxing videos. Alright, so the first lash, these are the Wispies eyelashes. So this is the left eyelash. See if it connects. Maybe I didn't put enough eyeliner on. Or maybe it's stuck to my finger. Yeah, like I said, the eyeliner is super, super sticky. Oops. Did I put that on? No. Having little issues with the setting technique. But it did stick, so that is a plus. I forgot my tweezers today. Oh. Well, there's the first one, and I did not put mascara on, so it looks really good, and it actually stuck. It took me a little bit because, like I said, I forgot my tweezers, but I think it looks great. Maybe I'm gonna add just a little bit of a thicker eyeliner. Maybe it'll stick better that way. So let me thicken that line. Let's see how it does. That's looking a little better. And now to bring this up a little bit. Like I said, it's still a little tacky and does not want to work. I'm pulling my eye, which I should not do, but I'm trying to get the product on, and that's what's making it really, really hard because this stuff is not wanting to cooperate. It has dried my brush out. Okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. This is not gonna be the best eyeliner, as this is a really dry eyeliner. Unless this has been on the shelves for a while, but I just bought it, so. This stuff is just not wanting to apply at all. It's messing up everything. Alright, I guess we're gonna try and go for a thicker brow. I mean, not brow, eyelash. Sorry guys, sorry. Maybe next time I'll do the eyeliner first and then put the magnetic one over it, where the eyelash would originally go. Maybe that would help a bit. There we go. Now let's try to thicken up this side just a little more. Since, yeah, it's pretty bad. Sorry guys. That one actually went on pretty good. Maybe you just gotta have a lot of product on the brush in order to get it to go, because that time it covered pretty good, but it's still hard to apply and still sticks to all my eyelashes. So, let's see if I can fix that corner. Probably not, but we're gonna try. Okay, I think that's as good as we are going to get with that eyeliner. Now let's see if they will stick to it. Alright, back with the left eyelash. Alright, that's how thick my eyelash is. Eyeliner. Sorry guys. The eyeliner is now a nice thick line for the eye to stick to. Oh, maybe I should apply my mascara first. Yes, mascara first. I'm using the Falsies from Walmart. They are put out by Maybelline. Oops. Let's see if I can. I'm just not gonna mess with it. Alright, now back to the left eyelash. Actually went on really great this time. What do you guys think? I think it looks really good. Now for the right eye application. It's weird, but yep, there they are. I think they look pretty great. They make my eyelashes look pretty good. I like this, but like I said, the eyeliner was a little thick, but I would still recommend this because these are not coming off. I'm pulling at them and it seems like they're doing a good job. I've heard that you can wear them outside in the wind and everything. So I'll have to give that a test try today after I'm done with this video, and I will have to get back with you guys on that later. Okay guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for today, and like I said, I'm new here and I really hope that you guys like this video, and I am looking forward to making a few more in the future. If you guys like me, give me a thumbs up. If you guys like the name, let me know, and I hope you guys have a good day.